Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a cloud project and enabling billing so resources can run. Once done, configure IAM roles that give only required permissions. That prevents accidental wide access. Next, install the gcloud CLI and authenticate using gcloud auth login, then set the active project with gcloud config set project ID. This starts the process immediately and lets you run commands and deploy resources without switching contexts. It's faster and more repeatable than using the console for every step. You now set up the core services that run your application. First, enable Compute Engine, cloud storage, and any service APIs needed. This prepares the platform. Then design a VPC with subnets and firewall rules. Make sure to prefer private IPs for internal traffic to reduce exposure. After the network is ready, provision VM instances or choose a managed option like Cloud Run for containers, and automate the configuration with Terraform or Deployment Manager, so deployments are consistent and repeatable across environments. You finish by deploying through CI/CD, using cloud build pipelines to build and deploy artifacts automatically. This minimizes human error. Once live, make sure monitoring and logging are configured with sensible alert thresholds so you see issues early. If something breaks, check logs in cloud logging, run gcloud debug or Stackdriver traces to pinpoint the problem, and roll back a bad deployment if needed. One key troubleshooting tip. If services fail to start, check IAM permissions and API enablement first. They are the most common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.